This is a 10-minute mindfulness of breath practice. So finding 10 minutes in your day where you won't be disturbed. Taking time now to select a posture for your practice. You can be sitting in a chair or on a stool, or you can choose to lie on your back, on a bed or a mat. If possible, closing the eyes to turn the focus of your awareness inwards. Otherwise, just simply taking a soft gaze in front of you. If you're sitting in a chair or lying on a bed, uncrossing the legs and uncrossing the arms. Finding a sense of evenness side to side in the body. If you're in a chair, feeling your feet pressing against the floor. Knees stacked over your ankles, shoulders stacked over your hips. Palms can be resting on your lap, facing up or down. Your spine can come away from the back of your chair, so you're holding yourself upright. Tucking in your chin slightly, so the crown of your head is pointed towards the sky. Allowing your posture to embody a sense of wakefulness and presence. Whether you're lying down or sitting upright, noticing if you're holding tension in your shoulders, seeing if you can allow gravity to do its work. Becoming aware of any tension in the jaw or between the eyebrows. Seeing if you can let that go. And so now turning your focus of attention to your breathing. This might be the first time today that you've taken a moment simply to notice your breath. No need to breathe any special way. However you've been breathing this whole time can be perfect. Perhaps finding yourself intentionally slowing down the breathing as you settle in. And if your mind is far away from your breath already, becoming curious, noticing where your mind might be. Perhaps even labeling the type of mind wandering. And then gently escorting your awareness back to this breath in and this breath out. This breath in, this breath out. Now directing the attention to the tip of the nose. Noticing the coolness of the air as it's pulled in through the nostrils. And the warmth of the air as it comes out through the nose or mouth. The air that's been warmed by the body across the upper lip. Zooming in close to that region, the nostrils and the upper lip. Seeing if you can notice this changing temperature. Coolness on the in-breath, warmth on the out-breath. observing the breath as it comes in through the nostrils and into the back of the throat. Tracing the path of the breath, sensing the place where you can no longer feel the breath anymore. And then shifting the attention into the chest, the rib cage. A lifting up on the in-breath, a falling back on the out-breath. The rib cage expanding on the inhalation, releasing on the exhalation. Noticing the rib cage expanding. The sides of the ribs and the backs of the ribs. These subtle movements with every cycle of breath. Then traveling down into the belly, sensing the breath across the abdomen, this region around the navel. Stretching on the in-breath, contracting on the out-breath. And if your mind is somewhere far away again, seeing if you can catch yourself, noticing where your thoughts are. Labeling the theme if you can. Worrying, ruminating, frustration, boredom, sleepiness, whatever's here. And then without judging your experience, allowing this next breath to be your opportunity to come back into the present moment. Allowing the breath to be an anchor. We can only breathe in the present moment. Observing this breath in and this breath out. Connecting the full cycles of breath, noticing the breath through the nose, the throat, the chest and belly, and then out from the belly, chest, throat, nose and mouth. Breathing in, breathing out. Perhaps observing the pause at the top of the in-breath and then the pause at the bottom of the out-breath. If the eyes are open, closing them and counting a few cycles of breath on your own. Wherever your mind might be, coming back to this breath in, this breath out. Inhaling, exhaling, breath in, breath out. Taking one last deep breath to notify your body that the practice is coming to a close. thanking yourself for taking the time to care for yourself, to foster resiliency. And then when you're ready, bringing some movement back to the body, perhaps wiggling your fingers or your toes, rolling your wrists or ankles, maybe some gentle shoulder rolls, blinking the eyes open if they've been closed. And bringing this more grounded and spacious awareness into the next moments of your day.